everyone, my name is Nadia. Today I have a small project. I will make a holder for used plastic bags. For this project we will need one piece of fabric size 22 by 18 inches, and another one it will be 2 inches wide and 21 inches long. We will need 2 pieces of elastic, narrow 1/4 inch will be enough. We need overcasting presser foot, head pin and couple pins. Let's first take this narrow piece of fabric and press it double. Now we will take big piece of fabric, put face down and press here something approximately 1 inch. Now we start from small piece. For that I'll take half of a piece of fabric and fold it double, and another side like this. After that fold it again double, and we will make seam right here. Now we have just to make seam on the edge of fabric, and again fold it double, and again fold it double like this, and press it all the way. And we have a tape 1/2 inches wide like this. Now put it aside and let's make main body. For that we fold fabric on the half and just make simple seam approximately 1/2 inch from side. And now I want to clean this side. For that I will use this overcasting presser foot. I will choose a seam for overcasting seam number 6 for my brother machine, and just make seam. Now we have nice clean seam here, and now we have to turn our work on the right side, and we will make pocket for elastic. I have this strip here, I pressed it before, it will be my guide. Now I just fold it double like this, here I left open space approximately 1 inch wide. Now another side, just here we will do little bit different. Here we have to put this strip on the holder, just hold it on the wall when it will be done. We fold fabric, and on the seam we just put this strip inside pocket like this, and just make top stitch, and a little bit make it stronger this side, and now all around like on the bottom. And again I left open space here for elastic. Here we need fixed again. Now I have to take this strip, put it up and make again seam on the very edge on the right side here. So it will be fixed on the bottom of pocket and on the top. It will be strong and accurate. Now we just have to put inside elastic. For that I will use head pin. I have open space here and just put elastic in. We can easily go through strips because on the center pocket is open. And now I have to sew elastic together. Now it looks like this. Just here, this opening we have to close on the machine. It's very easy. Just stretch and close opening. Now we have to make same on the bottom. Our holder is done. Everything looks nice. All seam looks clean. Nice. Strips is strong. And elastic big enough, just put plastic bag inside and take it out. Now you can hang it in any place you like, and it's very easy, just put bag inside and take it from bottom. If you found my video useful, please give me like, leave comments and subscribe for more video. Thank you. Bye now.